Hello, welcome to ATV Oil. My name is Roland. I'm the ATV oil guy. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on this 2019 Polaris Ranger. We're using AMSOIL 100% synthetic ATV UTV oil. This here is an oil change kit. For this Polaris here, it comes with 2 quarts of synthetic oil and a filter. Unfortunately, this kit here does not have a crush ring for your drain plug. I have a bunch of crush rings, so I'll be using those. I'll put links below in the description of this video where you can get your AMSOIL oil for your ATV or UTV, or you can go to atvoil.ca and you can shop on my website there. So there's only one thing left to do. We've got to take our clean hat off and put our dirty hat on, because I'll bet anything I'm going to be hitting my head on something underneath, dirt or oil, whatever, and I don't want to get my new hat all dirty. So let's get at it. So the first step to doing an oil change on this Polaris Ranger is I started it up. I let it run for about 2 to 3 minutes just to warm the oil up. And then I shut it off. I let it sit for a couple more minutes. Now I'm going to go underneath and I'm going to undo the drain plug. And we're going to let all the oil drain out. First thing though is get your side-by-side or ATV on a level ground. I got a small mat I got from Home Depot that I'm going to lay on and go underneath. Next, we're going to come in and we're just going to wipe around this cap here where you put the oil into the motor. Clean it so no dirt falls in. Then we're going to undo it and take it off. We'll just put it aside here on the air box. And we do this just so we can have some airflow. So now I'm going to go underneath and undo the oil drain plug. Okay, the oil drain plug on the Polaris 570 here takes a 6mm Allen socket. And we got our drain pan under here. And we have to, it's lefty-loosey. So we're just going to loosen it here. There, it's loose. I'm going to take the socket off. And we'll put just the socket into the drain bolt. Drain plug, and we're going to back it out, and we're going to grab it. Here we go. So we're going to let this drain, and we're going to take the oil filter off. So before you leave though, make sure you got your crush washer. So right there is our dipstick. We'll have to take that out, but also our oil filter here on the Polaris 570 Ranger. I don't have a wrench cap for that, so I'm going to be using a strap wrench. And that's here on the right side of the engine, the right side of the side-by-side. So again, this filter will be left loosen, right to tighten. It was just enough to loosen it. That worked out good. Okay. Thank goodness for the strap wrench. So that's what the strap wrench looks like. I put a couple rags underneath that oil filter because when I take it off, a little bit of oil is going to come out. I got to make sure I got my drain pan here ready. So we loosen it, take it all the way off, and turn that oil filter upwards so it doesn't drain a lot of oil out onto your rags once it comes off, of course. We're almost there. There we go. There we go. We got our oil filter off. A little bit of oil is going to come out of the crankcase there. Not too much. Looks like the rag has caught all of it. What I like about this is this Polaris Ranger 570 belongs to a friend, and I'm doing the oil change for him. I have a CF Moto Z-Force 950, and you can't do a clean oil change like this. This is easy, actually. So this is turning out well. I'm surprised. It's the first time I ever did an oil change on a Polaris Ranger. So I'm quite happy with that. Now I'm going to get some paper towel and clean that up. So we're going to go in here and we're going to clean the crankcase here where the oil filter gasket touches. Actually, we're just going to clean everything up in here. So that's clean. Ready for a new oil filter. There's no more oil dripping out of there really. All right, so we're going to open up our AMSOIL oil change kit here. And we're going to grab the oil filter. Same oil filter. I don't even have to go and look. I know it is. So I have a little bit of oil here. You want to oil the gasket here. So I'm just going to put a little bit of oil on there. You can use the oil from your kit if you want. I just in a hurry here, so I just use a little bit of oil I got in that bottle there. So you just want to oil this gasket before you put the filter back on. So now we're going to add the filter back onto the crankcase here. Just going to reach in here. We know everything's clean. And we're going to spin it on. We're going to hand tighten it. Then I'm going to take the strap wrench and I'm going to give it a 3/4 turn. Okay, I have a bunch of crush rings here for the drain plug. You can get these on Amazon. I'll leave a link below this video where you can get these. They do not come with the kit yet. I wish they did, but I'll leave you a link where you can get them on Amazon. It's pretty cheap. You don't have to buy a big pack like this either. So there we go. We got one that fits real good on there. So I'm going to clean the drain hole really well. We're going to get our drain plug with the new crush washer. And we're going to put it in, thread it in. And we're just going to snug it up. Don't over tighten it. I'll put the torque specifications below, but we're just going to hand tighten it. We're not going to over crank it. That's tight enough. Just snug it up really nice, but not over tight. All right, now that the drain plug is back in and the new oil filter is on, we can start adding 2 liters of oil to the engine. Real quick here, I want to show you what comes in this AMSOIL ATV, UTV oil change kit. So we got our filter, right? We had our filter. We have our oil. Comes with 2 liters of oil. Depending on what model you have, it may come with 3 liters of oil or more. Got a nice flashy AMSOIL sticker. But what really impressed me is this. They go the extra mile and you get useful tools inside. So you get a note from the chairman and CEO of AMSOIL. There's a note. We appreciate your business. But I opened it up. You have a pair of, well, it could be more than one, latex gloves here for when you're changing your oil. Comes with a funnel. So this is cardboard funnel, and you tear it here and you open it up, and you can use this as a funnel if you don't have a funnel. And it comes with another sticker so you can jot down your next oil service. And yeah, very nice. Put that on the windshield of your side-by-side. You can write down the mileage and everything. So yeah, it's a really nice added touch to the AMSOIL oil change kit. I like that. That's really nice. Okay, for now, for the Polaris Ranger 570, it takes a 5W50 motor oil. This is a 100% synthetic motor oil. AMSOIL makes premium oil for everything. And you know what? I really like it on side-by-sides and ATVs, all power sports, because they run hot. I mean, yeah, they're liquid cooled, they're not air cooled, but they still run really hot. They have a high RPM always. So you want a good oil so that the oil doesn't break down under a lot of heat pressure. And I have peace of mind that I put a good premium oil in my ATV and side-by-side. Okay, we're going to grab our funnel, put it in the fill hole. We're going to grab our first quart of AMSOIL synthetic oil. I forgot to mention, just make sure that your oil funnel is perfectly clean. You don't want to get any dirt in your oil. All right, we're now going to add our 2nd liter of oil, or 2nd quart of oil, I should say. All right, we have 2 quarts of oil in there. We're going to take our funnel out. And before I put the cap on, there's a rubber O-ring on here. I just cleaned everything up really good. Make sure that there's no dirt that's into the engine. So the cap is on. Okay, now that we've drained the oil, we put the new filter in, we put the drain plug back in, we put 2 liters of oil back into the engine. Now we want to start it up, let the oil circulate inside the motor, and we're going to shut it off, and then we're going to take our dipstick out and measure it and see exactly where we are. We may have to add a little bit of oil. We don't know yet. After letting the engine run for a couple of minutes, I let the oil settle down after it circulated through the motor. The oil level is right here at the first line. So I just have to put a little bit more in there just to top it up, and that'll be good. Well, there we completed the oil and filter change for the 2019 Polaris Ranger 570 using AMSOIL 100% synthetic oil. Plus we hit all the grease fittings with some AMSOIL water resistant grease. So if you're interested in some premium AMSOIL oil, go down below the description and click on those links there. It'll take you straight to the website or my website at atvoil.ca. And while you're there, if you are buying oil for, like, let's say your side-by-side or your ATV, or say you have a couple side-by-sides or a couple ATVs and your truck or whatever, check out that preferred customer program that they have. Just look into it. That'll really help you save some money. Anyways, thanks for watching the oil change on this 2019 Polaris Ranger 570, and we'll see you on another video. Take care.